2019 GMC Denali 6.2 liter V8 beast of a truck. Got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single and 3.5 inch pipe. We continued it because we can only bend 3 inch, so you see it tapered down from the factory. 3 inch, and then we put a 3 inch in, 3 inch out. Flowmaster FX, part number 71419. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. Then it wires back out into duals, and it's got dual resonators, one here and one here, and tips built into the back bumper, right there and right there. There's a muffler we took off, this massive thing, and it's got baffles on it there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It came out really nice. Hope you guys like it. There it is, Flow FX. 2007 Chevy 2500 HD 6.0 liter V8 beast of a truck. You gotta get 2500 trucks. They're really nice heavy duty trucks for work. Got high flow cats, or actually factory cats, there and there. Then it wires into a single 3 inch pipe. And guess what we added? Flowmaster FX. That's what the guy wanted. He didn't want it too loud, not too quiet, just a nice deep rumble. And then continue the 3 inch pipe all the way out into a 6 inch massive tip. Because, you know, why not? Right there. That 6 inch tip will make it sound good. We'll give you guys a link in the description for that 3 inch Flowmaster FX. And hopefully if we find a 6 inch tip, we'll give you a link to it too. Let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the old massive muffler that was on it. 2015 GMC Sierra Crew Cab 5.3 liter V8. Beautiful truck, Texas edition. So I got the stock converter there, and it's also got a third converter over here. Then what we did something special on this one. We have the FX series Flowmaster, 3 inch in, 3 inch out. 3 inch wide pipe to 2.5, and then 2 1/4 mandrel bent pipe. You guys requested that we start using mandrel bent, and we did for you guys. As you guys can see, they're mandrel bent all the way, no more crush bends. Really clean, really beautiful, really nice welds. This came out really beautiful. And then into 4 inch roll tips. If you guys want that Flowmaster FX series, you can see the link in the description on how to get some. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. 2016 Chevy Silverado V6. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then it's got the dreaded third converter. Then what we did on it is put a Flowmaster Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes, into 4 inch roll tips on each side, right there. Double wall tips. There it is. That's how you dual them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh, there he is. Keys in it. I left it in there. GMC Denali. Much better. Oh, hell yeah. You like it? All right. I don't know what's going on with my sound decibel thing. It's not doing anything. Usually goes higher. I don't know. Go ahead, back it up.
Dude, that sounds awesome.
You like it? It's not too loud, not too quiet.
That's exactly what I want.
And what tones it down is those resonators in the back. You see those resonators? The bullet looking things?
Love it.
Nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Flowmaster FX 6.0 liter V8. Again, there's the sound decibels. Again, it peaked at 108. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? I like it. It's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's actually throatier than the MagnaFlows. I like it. You like it?
Yeah.
'em. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. What's that noise? Again? Again? This is what it sounds on the inside. Not too drony. I think it sounds good. Hope you guys like it. (2019) GMC Denali 6.2 liter beast of a truck. It's winking at me, flickering.